Today I am at Kumarakom to see the snake boat practice session. This happens only once in a year during the Onam season. In the Kumarakka, Vallankalli practice ഒന്ന് കാണാൻ വേണ്ടി. The small village doesn't sleep for 30 days until all the races are over. This boat is going back to the starting point to take the next session of practice. This is a famous Paipadan Chundan. This boat has won many prizes in the last few years. It is going back to the starting point. This is one of the fastest boats in Kerala. You will see soon as it comes back. The length of this practice track is 1400 meters. ഈ ട്രാക്കിന് 1400 മീറ്റർ നീളമുണ്ട്. The length of each boat is about 130 feet. ഒരു വള്ളത്തിന് 130 അടിയോളം വരും. Throughout the world, snake boats are only seen in Kerala. There are about 10 boat races in Kerala which is happening during this Onam season. Nehru Trophy boat race at Alappi is the most popular boat race and it's happening on September 4th. From the young to the old, in this village everybody is crazy about it. It was raining a bit, so I used my hand to protect the camera. ചാറ്റമഴ ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നു, അതുകൊണ്ട് എൻ്റെ കൈ കൊണ്ട് ക്യാമറയുടെ മുകളിൽ വെച്ചു. അതാ സോറി ഫോർ ദാറ്റ്, ബട്ട് ഐ കുഡ്ന്റ് ഹെൽപ്പ് ഇറ്റ്. Guys, I would appreciate if you subscribe to our channel. Thank you. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. ഈ വീഡിയോ ഇഷ്ടപ്പെട്ടിട്ടുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ ഒരു thumbs up കൊടുത്ത് ഒന്ന് സബ്സ്ക്രൈബും കൂടി ചെയ്ത് വെച്ചേര്. See you soon. Take care. Bye bye.